Pwede ka naman mag-word dyan. Nobody's stopping you, pero... Ako wow. Thank you, Indo. Bili na ba? Okay, so what do we have here? We have Threadripper 3990X 64-core 128 threads. We have the ROG RYUJIN 360 liquid cooler. It's a 360 rad, tatlong fan, ganun, whatever. Tatlong 120. We have two, wow! Where'd you get this? Two ROG Strix Gaming 24 gigs na RTX 3090. Who needs that? Okay. Roblox. Ganun na siya kabigat niyan. I've never played Roblox before. We have the Asus ROG Extreme Alpha. It's a TRX 40 motherboard because we have a beast of a CPU. Yeah. Among others, we have 16 gigs of... Wait, what? No. We have 8 sticks. Okay, so we have 8 sticks of 16 gig 3600 Team Delta things, T-Force RAM sticks. Ilan yun? 3264, 128 gigs worth of RAM? Is that right? I don't know, I don't math, so yeah. RGB stuff, Lian Strimers, whatever, powered by what? Oh, we have the Corsair AX 1600i, 1600 watts for, yeah, maximum performance, yeah. I don't know about, what do we miss? Adata XPG SX 8200 Pro, 2TB NVMe, because why not? This motherboard, after all, has, I think, 4 M.2 slots. All of them are, I think all of them, if not most of them, are PCIe Gen 4 for that maximum performance yet again. And finally, we have the Asus ROG Strix Helios GX601 white edition case, which doesn't... it's white inside. Okay, pero ano, it's got that beautiful brushed aluminum. Huh? No, it's ROG Strix, you know. Yeah, check out the front tempered glass with the cool lighting effects. Anyway, that's it. Yan.
Saan gagamitin yan?
I don't know. Roblox. Minecraft. Yeah, buong Pilipinas bubuin niya. Valorant, mga 8 client.
Overkill yan, no?
Yeah. It's okay.
If you have the money, why not?
Yeah, it's totally overkill. Nobody needs this much power. But if you have the money for it, then why not? I would guess it's about, I don't know, it costs 3 times as much as my car.
How much is your car?
Ayun lang. So there we have it.
Estimate the price.
Threadripper 3990X alone costs around 200, 300-ish maybe. So it should give you an idea. These ones, 3090s, if ever you can get one, cost around
That's straight.
100?
Just so you know, again, it is
Okay.
straight. 3090 straight.
Okay, so it's not just any other 3090, it's a straight 3090, so maybe 120 a piece. So what are we looking at? Almost 500 na just for 3 components. I don't math again, so you do it yourself. Use your imagination. So there you have it, Threadripper 3990X build. Special shout out to PC Configure for letting us look at this thing, and the owner, which remains to be anonymous. Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate you letting us feature this build, and follow our socials.